Welcome to this Dynamic Maps video where we'll explore the map navigation tools in MapThat mobile. Once logged into the app, the map will centre over the UK. The map navigation tools are in the top left hand corner, so first thing we have is a plus icon. So with our finger we can simply click on that button and the map will zoom in to the centre of the map. Notice in the top right hand corner our scale bar is changing and our zoom level is increasing as we zoom down to street level. Clicking the minus with our finger will zoom the map out. So notice the top right hand corner, our zoom level is changing and it's getting smaller as we zoom out. Notice the scale bars changing accordingly to tell us the distance across the screen. We could also zoom in and out of the map with our fingers or fingers and thumb. So where it says Manchester there, I'm going to place my finger and thumb and just pull my finger and thumb apart. This could just be two fingers or a finger and a thumb. That pinches the map open to zoom into the map. And again, to zoom out, just bring my finger and thumb together and that will zoom the map out. We can also use our finger and thumb there or two fingers for panning around the map. So two fingers or fingers and thumb on the screen and we can drag the map in the direction that we want to travel and we can pan. Top right hand corner, as we said, we've got the scale, we've got the zoom level, and we've also got the X and Y location for the centre of the map. That's in longitude and latitude at the moment. So bottom left hand corner, we'll click on our browse button to open up our menu options. And over the right hand side we've got a cog wheel, which are the settings. So I'm going to left click with my finger there on the settings. Let's have a look at the general settings. So again with our finger let's click on the projection option, transverse Mercator at the moment. WGS84, and we've got a choice of options. So again with our finger I'm going to click on British National Grid to make that choice, and then to OK this menu, again with our finger just click on the OK button. We've changed British National Grid, so we'll press close with our finger in the top right, and now if we zoom in or pan the map, notice that the centre of the map, the X and Y coordinates, are now in eastings and northings. Bottom left again, if we click on the browse option, that brings up our menu icons. Let's click on the home button. So the home will take us back to the default project. In this case this is Liverpool's home location, so it centres the map on Liverpool and sets us at a sensible zoom level there, which is 12. Other options with navigation, we can also rotate our map. So again, two fingers or finger and a thumb, we can rotate the map. So this could be the direction that we're travelling. We could rotate the map so we can move it along the road we're travelling along. Notice an arrow has now appeared below our compass point, so that's telling us the direction of travel. And if we click on that arrow again with our finger, the arrow will disappear, but it recenters the map to point to the north. Let's say we want to track our location. We'll have a video of this another time, but we're going to geolocate where we are. So that's the compass point just below the plus and minus button. So if we click with our finger on the compass point, as long as my settings allow on my device, that's geolocated where I physically am. So that's located over a particular address, and that's useful if you're out on site. You can geolocate where you are and then you can move along the road. In another video we'll look at it tracking us as well, which is a useful tool if you're collecting data out on site. Let's finish off the video then by clicking on our browse button at the bottom, pressing on the house icon, which is our project home. That takes us back to Liverpool, setting us at a particular easting and northing and a zoom level. So those are the navigation and zooming controls within MapThat mobile. Many thanks for watching this video.